Hey guys, I bring to you a new live streaming platform that you can actually use to cash out this Christmas and beyond. Okay, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss any part, and follow all the process I'm going to be mentioning in this video. I'll be leaving the link on the description, so go ahead, click the link I have on the description to download the app. So once you download the app, you are going to be registering with your Google account. Okay, click on Google. There is Facebook registration, there is Google registration, so go ahead and click on Google, and then once you register, sign up. Okay, choose whether you're a male or female, put your date of birth, and then put your picture and sign up. Immediately you sign up, you're going to be seeing this interface like this. Okay, so you're going to be seeing this interface. You can see different people, okay, from different parts of the world here live streaming at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and show you different tasks you are going to be doing here, and also how to cash out from this platform. All right, so stay with me. The first thing you are going to do once you join this platform is to do your facial authentication. With your facial authentication, you'll be able to go live and start performing different tasks here. Okay, without the facial authentication, you cannot perform tasks. So go ahead and do your facial authentication. Then after the facial authentication, make sure you join. You will see so many people that want you to join their agency. Make sure you look for a good agency to join. I have told you guys that one of the ways to cash out from all this live streaming platform very fast is by joining a good agency that is going to coach you and put you through and make you cash out fast. Okay, make sure you join a good agency. So once you are done with that, let me go ahead and now show you different tasks you are going to be performing here and how to cash out your money once you are done. So go ahead, click on this me session. So once you click on this me session, go ahead and you will see join agency. If I click on join agency, I will see different people that have invited me to join their agency. But me, I'm going to take my time and look for the agency to join. Okay, so make sure you take your time. Don't just go and start joining anyhow agency. Make sure you take your time to find a very good agency for you to join. Okay, so once you are done with joining of agency, then let's go ahead and show you different tasks you can perform on this platform. Okay, so we go ahead and click on tasks and allow it to load. Okay, so here are different tasks you can actually perform on this platform. Note that every new day starts by 5 p.m. So once it's 5 p.m., it starts a new day. You come and perform your new task. Okay, if you look here, see that I have 25 minutes remaining for the new day to start. Okay, so once you join, you are going to do 1 hour facial tasks. Okay, 60 minutes. Okay, once you are done with the 1 hour facial task, you come here and receive your points. Click on receive. You are going to go ahead and receive it. Okay, happy to receive, congratulations. So then you go to party tax. You go to someone's live stream and join the mic and sit on any of their seats. Okay, party tax. And then once you are done, click on receive. The first 1 hour you're going to receive 500. Then the next 1 hour you are going to receive 1005. So in total you are going to be receiving 3000 daily on this platform. Okay, so if you go ahead, you can read the instructions here how to make your 2 hours more productive. Okay, this is how to make your 2 hours more productive. So go ahead and read every instruction here once you join the app. Okay, then the next task for you to do, we have daily tasks. Okay, so these are the daily tasks for you to do. Once you watch any live stream for 10 minutes, you're going to receive this. Okay, go ahead and receive it. Once you chat in live, go ahead and receive this one. Then go ahead and receive this one. Go ahead and receive this one. So I have received this one. These are also different tasks you can do. PK and win 3 times your first recharge, your 50,000 recharge, and other stuff. Okay, then if you invite anybody, you can earn up to $200 once you invite someone on the app. Okay, these are daily tasks. Then we have games. So these are games. Once you play any game, you also come here and claim all these points here Okay, there are different points here for you to play, for you to claim once you play any game. And then we have video chats here. Okay, we have private videos for those that want to make calls here. Okay, so once you make call, 10 minutes call, you receive this one. 30 minutes calls, you receive this one. 60 minutes calls, you receive this one. Then 2 hours calls, you receive 10,000 coins. Okay, for 10 minutes 400, 30 minutes 600, 1 hour 2,000, then 2 hours you receive 10,000. So you can go ahead for those that like receiving calls. Okay, go ahead and receive calls. Then there are ranks. Okay, different ranks. As you keep increasing in ranks, you keep getting rewards, different ranks. Okay, so these are different ways to actually earn on this platform. These are different ways, and this is also if you increase in level, once your level is increasing, you will also be receiving rewards. Okay, so if you get up to 50,000 coins, you get this. If you get up to 100, you get this. So the more your points you are increasing in level, the more you are going up in level, the more you are also earning on this platform. Okay, so this is actually how to the points you are going to be receiving on this platform. So daily live and chat on party, you earn 3,000 rewards. Okay, so let's go to show you how the party tax looks like before we go to how to cash out from this platform. All right, so you're going to see live. These are people that are live. You are going to see party. So if you want to do your party tax, just go ahead and click on party. It's going to open up for you. Then you look for someone. Okay, let's allow it to open. So once it opens right now. So once it opens, just look for someone that you think you can sit on the person's chair. Okay, just look for somebody, then enter the person's live stream. So let me enter this person's live. So enter the person's live stream, look for empty seats and seats. Okay, there's no empty seats here, but if there's any empty seat, just click on any of the empty seats and sit there. Okay, let me go out. There's music here. Wow, can you see? Wow, that person was playing game and he's winning the game he was playing. Okay, so this app is very good. As you are playing game, you'll be winning. So you look for any empty seats, sit down there and do your sit down for 2 hours and then do your party tax. After the party tax, you claim your coins. So how do you actually cash out from this platform? So we are going to go back to me session. So once we get to me session, see, you can see withdraw. Okay, you go ahead and click on withdraw from this app. Okay, so once you click on that withdraw, it's going to bring you to this interface. You can see withdraw to cash, or you can see exchange to coins. Okay, so if you want to exchange your coins, you go ahead and exchange your coins. But if you want to withdraw the card, just click on withdraw, and then you need to have up to 10,000. Sorry, up to $10 before you can be able to withdraw. This is normal for every live streaming platform. You need to get up to $10 before you be able to withdraw. So these are different withdrawal methods that we have here. So go ahead and click on add. Click on add. So you see Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria, you can use PamPay, you can use OPay, you can use different Nigerian banks, you can use Payoneer, Binance, ePay, USDT, TRC20. So these are different ways you can actually withdraw from this platform if you're in Nigeria. Okay, so you go ahead. Okay, let's go down. Every 10,000 coins is equivalent to $1. Okay, so the minimum withdrawal is $10 and you'll be credited within 24 hours. Okay, so these are how you can withdraw from this platform. Okay, so go ahead, rush now and start making use of this platform as a day hot, so that you can cash out before December and enjoy yourself. Okay, so these are different people here performing their tax. Look for a very good agency, very good agency here and join, so that you'll be able to cash out fast. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have any question, write it on the comment section for me and I will answer you. Until next time, see you.